Hello everyone! So, meron tayong ditong equation kung saan i-apply natin yung multiplication of the square root of a negative number. Now, maalala natin na kapag we are dealing with this kind of equation, lagi nating iniisip yung imaginary number. Now, what it means by imaginary number, these are the numbers that has a negative square root. So, ang symbol na lagi natin ginagamit for imaginary number ay I. At ang equivalent ng I ay square root of negative 1. Now, dito, gagamitin natin ito para ma-solve natin itong ating equation. Now, what are we going to do first? First, we are going to rewrite this. Pwede nating i-rewrite siya na ganito. Negative 1, square root of negative 1 times square root of 3 multiplied by square root of negative 1 times square root of 3. Now, dito makikita mo na meron siyang square root of negative 1, which is the I. So, ang gagawin natin, papalitan natin ngayon itong square root of negative 1 with I. So, ang mangyayari ay ganito. Magiging I times square root of 3 times I square root of 3. Now, eto na yung ating equation. Now, ang gagawin ulit natin is that we are going to combine these i's. So, magiging I squared times square root of 3 times 3. Alam naman natin na ang 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So, pwede natin i-write na ganito. Square root of 9. Ngayon, by definition, I squared ay equivalent nito ay I squared. Ang equivalent nito ay negative 1. Pansinin niyo dito, kapag single lang siya, magiging square root of negative 1. Kapag dinoble natin yung I, kapag naging I squared to, so, ibig sabihin, magiging, tatanggalin natin yung square root. So, magiging ang I squared ay equal to negative 1. Kaya, ganyan ang mangyayari. So, papalitan na natin ngayon, by definition, sinabi ko, by definition, papalitan natin ngayon ng I squared to negative 1 na ganito. So, magiging ganito ang ating equation times 3 kasi ang square root of 9 is equal to 3. So, ang ating answer ay negative 3. Ganun lang po.